thought. Keep walking, pussy.
Look at you with all that storage on your device. Outstanding.
I can't believe I agreed to this.
Praise the Lord, little cuckoo kid.
It's a fine day to have diabetes. Well, diabetes destruction. Okay, see ya.
Oh, it's you again. Sup, hero? Don't be farting in my face and shit. Hey, Fast Pass, one of your super homies is here.
Oh, hey, new kid. The coon told me he wants you to question the witness, so go ahead. Have at it. Go ahead, new kid. Ask her anything you want. Oh, that's smart. Using the silent treatment can really make a witness antsy.
Aye, look, I know y'all need my help and shit, but I ain't talking to you go get my medication.
Your medication?
Yeah, I can't think straight without my medication. You gotta go pick up my prescription, alright? Until you get my prescription, I ain't telling you little heroes fuck on nothing.
Well, all right, fine. Looks like you got more work to do, new kid. But before you go back out in the world, I want to show you something that might help your crime fighting. Let's get up to my room. Fast. All right, new kid. It's time to take your superpowers to the next level. Go ahead and stand in the DNA defibrillator. All right, new kid, just stand still and I'll talk you through this. Check out the new Hero DNA slot I opened up for you. Stuff you insert here will make a big impact on your combat effectiveness. Pick the one that best suits your power loadout. Just keep in mind that a big damage boost may mean less health, or vice versa. Kind of like how steroids shrink your buffs, or so I've read. Well, all right. Now you know what real power feels like. Pretty dang good. That should do it, new kid. Hope you have a grasp of it. Now get out there and kick some booty.
I just have to get a picture with my son's famous friend. Thanks, honey.
Let's do it. Thanks for helping Jimmy out. Good job. Your parents must...
take care of? Well, back. Can you come to my house ASAP, please?
Here, kitty, kitty. Oh, here, Fourthy, Fourthy.
See you later, Fourthy. I'll be waiting for you.
Ow! Yeah, that's right. Run away home to your mommies. Oh!
From the sky swoops justice.
Well done, butthole.
If nothing else, beating on you guys is really therapeutic for me. Aha! Have your boyfriend massage that for you.
Take your medicine, Fourthies.
Time power! Staring contest, you lost!
Here I go. Omega Crush Extra.
Now that's using your head.
That's not gonna save you, Fourthy. My turn now.
Ugh. My fist is going so far up your ass, I'll be able to help you floss.
Who to torment? I choose you.
Haha! Your turn is choke. Nice! Punch for great justice!
For Fourthy scum, you guys are kind of scrappy. If you'll excuse me, I have a balloon to piss in.
Beware, evil, for from the sky comes a kite! I got these guys.
Super Crank reporting for duty. I am out of fuck tickets. Yeah, I saw that coming. Blah, blah.
For truth, justice, and everyone who's ever hung out with me. Thanks for coming. It's over here. In the backyard.
This barrier represents the Red Sea, which you will be unable to part without Moses on your side.
up now? Do you want me to go again? It's canceled, dipshit.
You've got this, butthole. Diabetes, son. Diabetes coming through.
First comes the rush.
Then comes the crush.
It's Craig time. I mean, Super Craig time. Crime is a disease. I'm the cure. Red blood. I'm supposed to attack now, right? Oh, goodness. That wasn't too hard, right? I don't want to cause any permanent damage.
Now you're gonna get it. My turn.
Super Craig to the rescue. I've had it with this shit. Oh, goodness, this is the last affliction I need. I'm ready to suck ass and take names. Wait, that didn't come out right. Nine and 10. That hurt my shoulder because my shoulder is sensitive because I pulled a muscle catching a balloon. Oh, I just know I'm gonna mess this up, and here it goes. Oh, geez, I didn't think I'd actually hit you. I'm getting a little tingle in my throat. Does anyone have a lozenge?
Captain Diabetes, prepare to strike. Take this. Oh, now you've done it.
Okay, that does it. You guys asked for it.
Who are you kids? I'll call your mothers right now.
Yeah, get him, Aunt Sheila. Okay, I'm gonna try something a little crazy. Everyone brace yourself. Oh, am I up? Put this on your food spread.
Hey, you better quit it right now.
Prepare to be swarmed.
That's my mom, Dick. Dude, that's my mom. Okay, everyone, just stop. We're taking this too far.
To heck with that. These boys need to learn some manners.
Yeah, Aunt Sheila. You want to beat up my mom? You're gonna have to go through me first.
Make the best of that buzz, buddy.
Stay away from my bummy, you little monster. Oh.
Leave our friend alone, fiend.